怎么剥柚子皮 ？How to peel pomelo？ 先用刀在柚子的中间划一圈。First, use a knife to cut a circle in the middle of the pomelo. 注意不要伤到果肉。Be careful not to cut into the flesh. 接着用一个勺子把果皮和果肉分开。Then use a spoon to separate the peel from the flesh. 转一下，取下来。Turn over and take it off. 同样的方法，把另外一半分开。Use the same method to separate the other half. 看 ，Look， 这样剥的好处可以把没有吃完的果肉放回到柚子皮里，可以保鲜。The advantage of peeling like this is that you can put the uneaten fruit back into the pomelo peel for freshness. 然后再一半的分开 ，then separate petal by petal. 使劲儿，加油 ！Keep going, you can do it. 最后剥开果肉的外皮 ，Finally, peel away the outer skin of the flesh. 好了 ，It's done. 我尝尝 ，Let me taste. 好吃 ，Tasty. 这个给你 ，This one for you.